Gwerth Cymdeithasol yn golygu ddipyn o pethau i ni fel elusen. Dyn nhw'n just yn niferoedd o bobl sydd yn mynd trwy'r rhaglenni ni, ond hefyd mae o'n mwy y bydd mae'r pobl yn cael allan o'r gwaith yr elusen. Mae o'n i ni, mae'n rhoi cyfle da i ni bwydo nôl i'r funding partners i gyd i dangos gwerth cymdeithasol arian nhw i'r cymdeithas lleol.
I think the morning session has gone really well. From the buzz around the tables and lots of questions and inquiries from the delegates. The speakers were very inspirational, a range of different perspectives, and inspired a lot of questions, as I said. For me, it has helped to set the scene in preparation for this afternoon's roundtable discussions. I feel people are much better informed, they have more of a common understanding, but particularly the challenges ahead, which I hope will underline the need for the pledges and the commitment going forward.
I think it's been an excellent start. As a policymaker and a commissioner, it's really important that you take time to listen to people and listen to their journeys, their experiences, their hopes and aspirations. So I've done a lot of that today, and it's been really important that I'm also able to share the Welsh Government direction and their commitment to this area of work. Also, through discussions over lunch and tea breaks, found loads of opportunities for us to be able to progress this work, and with new partners. So I've just had a really good conversation with the police and the work that they're doing with Public Health Wales to look at how they work to police and support vulnerabilities. A partner I wouldn't have expected to be having a conversation with, so yeah, really great.
In the future, I would really like to see the social value agenda continue to bring people and organisations together. Over the last few years, we've seen a real influx in people, in organisations, in governments being interested in social value and what that means. From working for Social Value International, I can see that on a global scale this is happening. You know, we have 24 networks across the world who are all grappling with the issues of social value and how that can better improve the lives and well-being of the people that they are trying to help. From right down on the ground here in North Wales, right up to the UN, we're having these conversations, and so I would really like to see them continue and merge together in a way that really does reduce inequality and increase well-being.
Yn gobeithio ni ar gyfer yr agenda yma'n y dyfodol ydy bod Llywodraeth Cymru a Chomisiynwyr yn arbennig yn meithrin ac yn deall gwerth cymdeithasol yn well. A mi ddylia bod mesur gwerth cymdeithasol yn rhan annatod o phob un cytundeb ac yn rhan o waith pawb sy'n darparu gwasanaeth pa bynnag sector y bo nhw.